Hello everyone, I'm Shreya Gupta, Flaunt Your Flaws, and today I'm going to review this beautiful book, Yours Truly by Ananda Rupa Chakrabarti. And she's a wonderful writer. She just started writing. She has a page called Infectious Words, and you can look for her book on Notion Press and Amazon too. It's a really nice book. It has got little letters and little poetries, random chapters, and I love this book because it's not something based on one topic. It goes from struggles to random thinking to people to perspectives to feelings to karma. Like, it has got everything. Now I would start from the cover page. So the cover page is all purple. This is very vibrant purple, dark purple, and it has got shades of purple. Very soothing cover. And at the back she has written some personal thoughts that she wants to convey to the readers, which is, I'll read for you. I don't know how much I know about you, but I know what kind of thoughts your mind undergoes. And she has written all that she wants to convey. Now, one of my favorite chapters was chapter 2, I guess. Yeah, it was perspectives upon people. Now I love this, and some lines that I really liked from this chapter was, we tend to find someone that closest to us so that we can find in them a world of our worries, stories of happiness. And the last line of this chapter was, don't you feel safe to be known that you aren't unknown. Now this is very beautiful, and I loved the concept of this line. Like, this was very truthful and kind of attractive to me. And one of my favorite poetries is a heartache that became a heartache that can make you die of remembrance of memories. Now I love this piece, it's very deep. Chapter 7, 8. I really like this book in general. If you are looking for a book that you want to read on a Saturday evening or a Sunday morning, this is the perfect book. Now I would rate this book a 4-star, and that 1 star for a little hope that she brings. And I also want to tell you that she has a wonderful page, Infectious Words. Do tell her how you like her book if you've read it, and if you've not read it, please give it a try. This is worth the try. This book is for 200 rupees. It is published by Express Publishing, Notion Press, import of Notion Press. And I like this book in general. It is soothing, and the number of pages it has is 63. It has 63 pages, and this book is really nice. It's very soothing, very simple yet deep and thoughtful. So if you are planning to buy a book to read in this lockdown, this is the perfect choice. You can contact Ananda on Instagram and tell her about how you like the book, or if you want to order it. So here is a small short review of Yours Truly, and this book is worth the read. So give it a try, and I hope you like the review. I'll be reviewing more books next week. So stay tuned and do subscribe if you've not. Please help me reach 100 subscribers. That's my only goal for this year or month. I don't know. So subscribe my channel, and do tell me if you like your book to be reviewed by me. My Instagram ID is Flaunt Your Flaws Poetry. You can send me your books, hard copies, and you can tell me if you like my poetry books or my poetry. I have a page, Flaunt Your Flaws Poetry. Do tell me how you like it, and stay tuned.